Hello, my planner friends. It's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of April 27th through May 3rd. And this week I am using this chipboard set as my inspiration, specifically the glasses and that book right there. I want to kind of do like a glasses book theme. Um, and I have a bunch of these journal cards that all go with this chipboard set. So I just thought it would be fun to kind of use some of my stash up and use some of these cards that I have in my stash. So the first thing that I wanted to do was get rid of that green. Was not going to go with my thing. So I am just going to, I have this white washi tape, really thin washi tape. I'm pretty sure I got it at Dollar Tree in the little tubes that Dollar Tree has. But I did want to cut it in half because it was still a little bit wider than the little line there. So I cut it in half just using my cutter, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that white washi tape all the way down. Now, as you can see, the green still shows. It's just a base color to actually put down the washi that I wanted on there, which was this kind of light pink and white stripe. And I went ahead and put that down, and when I did that, the white stripes kind of turned in almost to like a really light green on the page. You can't really tell, but actually I liked that because there is some light green elements to the page, so it worked out perfect. So I did that to both sides of the planner layout, as you can see. And what I'm doing now is I'm going to use that journal card for my side panel, and I'm just going to cut the kind of corners off of it because I wanted it to be a straight cut. And then I measured it once I cut it, and it was 3.5 inches, so I just cut it into half. And there I'm cutting it in half, and I'm going to go ahead and glue it. I really honestly didn't even need to do this part because I end up just covering that up anyway, but whatever, I did it, it's there. So I'm going to go ahead and glue the two pieces together, and then I'm going to put it on that side panel. I did have to trim up the side there. And so I'm doing this on Sunday, and Sunday was my birthday, and I am talking to my family on FaceTime right now as I'm doing this. So um, you'll see me kind of moving my hands and doing a bunch of that kind of stuff, and just know that I am talking on FaceTime while I'm doing this. That's why I decided to do a voiceover. All right, so I'm just gonna then cut up a couple of the cards here and just get this kind of design put together. I cut the ones with the glasses and then the ones with the books. And again, like I said, the chipboard matches perfectly with this. So I was really super happy afterwards what this looks like. I really like this one. This is a good one. Okay, so I'm just taking that one um, little card there and just making it basically like a template and just using that to cut up the other little pieces. And I'm just going to go ahead and put them down. I have that one piece is from a journaling card as well that I cut out, so I'll show you that here in a second. And I'm going to go ahead and take the books again. I think I had two of those, and then I did like two of each of the different designs. Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, then I was trying to figure out what I could do with that little piece. That piece is with journal card as well, the books right there. I did cut it down so it only kind of had the middle books in there, but I really think that looks really cute. I love that. And then I liked this little list thing that was on this journaling card, so I'm going to go ahead and use that as well. And then I'm just measuring it to get it to fit into this space. Okay, and then the top of the journaling card had that little today diamond thing, so I just cut that out to use it in there. And then on the back of that card that I just cut up, the to-do list card or the today card with the numbers, it was this, my heart is full. I'm super glad I did not cut it because I really wanted to use that because as you can tell, that is the title of my um, planner layout, and it was the whole kind of purpose I wanted to use that card. So what I basically did was I just cut around it at the bottom there, and then I'm just going to let it kind of hang off the page. And then I love that because then when I did my journaling card, totally completely unplanned, but when I did my journaling card, it totally like kind of works with the journaling card. Kind of, you'll see when I do the journaling card. All right, so I'm going to cut that other little label out of that. Didn't really want to cut that because it has a cool like image of a camera on the back, but I think I have another one of those, so I think I'm okay with that. But I really like how that kind of like pop of black in the middle of there, and then it has like a pink little line around it. I just think it looks really cool, and it'll be a space I can use to write things down on. Really wanted to use that today thing, and I kept popping it in and out and in and out. Where am I going to put it? It doesn't even end up going there. I don't think. I think it ends up going somewhere else. Okay, and then let's see. I do maneuver it and change it around a little bit more, I think, yeah. But I'm going to go ahead and glue everything down. But like I said, I think I'm going to change some stuff around as I'm gluing. Maybe not. Maybe that's how it is. I did use my Glue Dots tape adhesive runner, but for the little letters at the bottom, I just use a glue stick to make sure that it was glued down really good. All right, and then, I'm putting the planner back in my planner and showing it to my sister so that she could see my birthday spread. Um, so that's what I was doing right there. And okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and get everything glued down. I think this is where things turn around and change. Yeah, I think things changed a little bit when I did that. Okay. Oh yeah, and then I go ahead and that happy heart is from the journaling card, that black label on there. So I went ahead and just stapled that to the top. And then I just used some tape adhesive runner to get everything else glued down, including that little top piece there. I like when I add different elements to my planner. So I love that it has a staple at the top there. And then once I get everything else glued down, it's going to be sticker time. So now I'm going to go ahead and work my journaling card. This one is really simple, but turned out really cute. Sometimes when you have really cute stickers and things, just makes all the difference. So I had this one journaling card that said my story. It came from the collection. I used the chipboard that said my story already in another project. So I just cut that one out so that I had it. And then I had that one thing that said pages filled with happy memories or something like that. I can't remember exactly what it says, but it's there. And then I put the chipboard sticker book, and then I wanted to put that my story right there. So I just went ahead and took some foam adhesive tape and then gonna glue that down on there. And then glue that on there. So that is it. And it turned out, I just think it's cute. It's really simple, but really cute. Oh, and I forgot that I'd wanted to use that I'm an open book sticker. So I just went ahead and grabbed it and then stuck that on the planner. And then I'm just kind of figuring out where I want my journaling card to sit in the planner and get that punched. And now we're going to put it in the planner. So I think it turned out really cute. I love all the little elements and design to it. And then, yeah, so I really like it. And then when you put the journaling card in, I love that it says my story, my heart is full. Kind of like saying like my story, my heart is full. That's the name of my story. So you can see here, I'm just trying to mess with it, figuring out where I want it. But that is what it ended up looking like. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you again next week. Bye for now.